Here we go. Louder. Can we have?
तालियां मारो.
Put your hands together, everyone. Come on. ऊपर वाले. बच के तू रहना रे, बच के तू रहना. Make some noise, everyone. बच के तू रहना रे, बच के तू रहना. नहीं तुझे मौका मिलेगा संभलना. जहाँ भी छुपा हो तुझे ढूंढ लेगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. जहाँ भी दिखेगा तुझे ठोक देगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. बारूद भरा इसकी रग रग में. बारूद भरा इसकी रग रग में. बातें साफी करके चलता अंगारा बन के. जहरी फुनकारा बन बच के तू रहना रे, बच के तू रहना. अरे बच के तू रहना रे, बच के तू रहना. नहीं तुझे मौका मिलेगा संभलना. जहाँ भी छुपा हो तुझे ढूंढ लेगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. जहाँ भी दिखेगा तुझे ठोक देगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. Now you have to sing one line of the song with us. तो बच के तू रहना रे, बच के तू रहना. नहीं तू जहाँ भी छुपा हो तुझे ढूंढ लेगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. जहाँ भी दिखेगा तुझे ठोक देगा. ये है मौत तेरी, तुझे कर ही देगा. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you once
Big
again.
round of applause for Short Question. Everybody's here, and before they move on, what we're going to do, we have a small surprise for Zareen.
Rishi, please let me say.
Yes.
We have a big surprise for you all. एक बहुत ही बड़ा सरप्राइज है आज हमारे पास आपके लिए. तो उस सरप्राइज को जानने से पहले एक बार जोरदार शोर सुनना चाहता हूं मैं. I would like to hear the biggest noise ever. Please make some noise, guys. So the surprise is
अच्छा हम लोग ने गा लिया, आप लोगों ने गाना देख लिया. अब आप सब लोगों को हमारे साथ गाना है एक बहुत कॉमन गाना जो हम बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक गाते ही रहते हैं. हर ओकेजन पे, हर साल वो ओकेजन आती है. एनी गेसेस कि कौन सा गाना है वो?
so today is Zareen's birthday.
तो वी आर गोना सिंग अ बर्थडे सॉन्ग फॉर हर.
और सारे आएंगे.
सारे गाएंगे जितने भी खड़े हैं इस पूरे मॉल में.
And because the cake also, we have a cake also. Not only the table.
So I wish her a very special
Yes,
birthday.
that's the cake.
Zareen Khan के लिए जोरदार तालियां everyone.
You're gonna like it. Now, since that you have said that it was a birthday, I think you should say the wish also. Any wishes this birthday, Zareen?
Very happy on my birthday and whatever is happening here, and the gift that has been given to me by Sir and Sachin, and the love that has been given to me over here. So I'm already very happy. Thank you for an amazing song, and yeah, I don't think I could ask for more. I'm just very happy. Thank you all. But everybody has to sing to make me happy, okay?
As I said.
Okay, everyone, please put your hands together and sing with us. With your
One,
clap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zari. Happy birthday to you.
Sing along.
आप लोग गाइए. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
To you. I can't sing.
वाओ, मजा आ गया.
So, God bless you, and what a day for you to have a launch on your birthday. It's very special. Thank you everybody for coming here. Thank you all of you for being here. Sir, very wishes to you for the movie, to you for the movie. Everybody knows that the movie, would you want to like to tell them when is it releasing and why should they go see it?
Well, Veerappan is a very special film, and it's releasing on 27th May, another 12 days to go. And I hope if you like to see real life characters, and if you really enjoy something different to watch, and if you like to watch Ram Gopal Verma films, then you must watch this one. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Please don't forget to watch the film 27th of May and keep listening to songs, do shares. Thank you so much.
Yes, and before we let them go, one last time, everybody, please have a big round of applause for the team of Veerappan right here. Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, Sachin Joshi, Zareen Khan, and the rockstar Shariben Doshi. Please don't forget to hit the theatres 27th of May. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Thank you all.
अरे मैंने वो लाइट नहीं लिया यार, ये ऊपर ही है.
सबसे पहले थैंक यू फॉर योर विशेस एंड आई थिंक ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेशंस तो मैं और मांग नहीं सकती. पर्सनल सेलिब्रेशंस तो कुछ ज़्यादा होंगे नहीं क्योंकि मेरी मॉम की तबीयत थोड़ी सी ठीक नहीं है, सो आई वुड बी डूइंग एनीथिंग दिस ईयर.
कोई ऐसा भी इंसान है जिससे आप हमेशा बच के रहना चाहती हैं?
आई थिंक लोगों को मुझसे बच के रहना चाहिए, मैं किसी से नहीं डरती.
अच्छा, आपकी फिल्म आज हमने देखा गाना कुछ हुआ है, हमने देखा है बहुत प्रमोशन करते हैं आप ट्रेनों में, बसों में, एयरपोर्ट, दुबई, हर जगह. तो इस बार ये कैसे करने वाले हैं आप इसको प्रमोशन?
ये तो आपको देख के ही पता चलेगा, बट हर बार कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं मार्केटिंग में, प्रमोशन में. तो आप कुछ नया देखेंगे रिलीज़ के आसपास. अभी 10-15 दिन और बाकी है, तो होपफुली कुछ नया दिखने मिलेगा. थैंक यू.
Ram Gopal Verma, sir, here. I have a question for you. Here. Sir, I am Sandesh from Zoom. I wanted to ask you what made you choose like select Zareen for this particular song?
See, I basically, the original Color song was very popular and over the years, I wanted someone can live up to that and probably go far beyond that. And I wanted someone really hot to perform, and I think Zareen is hotter than the sun.
Yeah, so you're, sir, this side. Yeah, this side.
Yes.
Yeah, hello, hi. I'm Bhavya from Book My Show. So my question from you would be, आप किसको इंडस्ट्री से खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity? आप इंडस्ट्री में से किसको खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity? Next person?
I think to. I will tell you privately.
Okay, one question to Zareen, if that's yeah, hello, hi Zareen. First of all, happy birthday. The question to you I have is, so recently, like it's all public now that Salman Khan and Hulia have finally made a public declaration of love through their public appearance. So, what do you think of that? Like, would that happen soon? Is marriage on?
Well, honestly speaking, I have no idea about what's happening in other people's life because there's so much happening in my life to keep a track of that.
But do you
only
think
guess.
he'll make a good husband? What do you have to say?
See, I really don't know, and I'm not here to judge. I mean, I'm very happy if things are happening with him and Julia. But I just wish them all the best, and you know, I think the whole country has been waiting for him to get married. So I think it'll be something to look forward to.
Thank you so
राम
much.
गोपाल वर्मा जी हो, अगर आपने उस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा हो तो कुछ आपको कैसा
No,
लगा?
I didn't see the trailer.
And specifically, let's stick to Virappan and Khalas questions also. Somebody had a question here?
Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, it's for you. Has Isha Kopiker seen the song yet? Because she was a item girl for the song. Does Isha Kopiker has seen the song Khalas?
No, she hasn't seen. I mean, it is not to my knowledge because we just launched it. Just
Okay.
yeah.
We were here for the song launch of Khalas.
Ram Gopal Verma, sir, I have a question.
One question
For this,
specifically to this movie.
As we can see, there are a lot of, like action scenes are very brutal in this movie. We have seen in the trailer. So, what challenges did you face from the censor board to, get cleared, or was there any problem?
I mean, see, we haven't yet gone to the censor board, but the point is the film is eventually an emotional film, and Virappan is a brutal guy, so obviously the images will be brutal. So to be true to the spirit of Virappan. But if you watch the overall film in totality, I don't think the brutality will be in the forefront.
So one more question.
Zarin over here, you have replaced. Where are you? Okay. Well, I honestly have no idea about the whole replacement thing. I had no idea that Kangna was doing the film before me. I am just very happy that I am getting the opportunity to do this film, and yeah, that's about it.
Also, Isha Kopiker, that time the song was very hit.
Well, it's been one of my favorite songs, and the way it was told to me, the vision, Ramu sir's vision of this song. Okay, she's not even listening anymore, so I don't think I need to reply.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, Ram Gopal sir. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much, Zarin. Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you all.
अरे ऊपर ऊपर रहने दे यार, हाँ ऊपर रहने देना है। जरीन जा रहे हैं देख, जरीन को बुला ना। ये बुला रहा है। कौन बुला रहा है? जरीन